Hello, welcome back to my channel. Kritika. Today I'll start the another topic. That topic is what now how you can insert the five rows at a time into SQL. Okay, in SQL, whenever you want to insert the row, it will be tedious task because of I have to run again and again so that it will ask the input to enter the value. But without but now repeatedly it asking how I can directly provide the value into the SQL. So here is the command. Okay, I will tell you first. I'll write the one editor. So better you will be do a path for this editor. Suppose D drive I have written one. Suppose SQL folder I have suppose given one command. Suppose I have opened one editor that is called. Okay, suppose for insert 5 dot SQL I have created. Okay. So it will be asking there is no file in D drive SQL. We do want to create a new file. Yes, it is named insert file. Yeah, I have pressed the yes. Okay, so I have already a table that is called suppose 299. Okay, so I have shown you I have already one table that is 299. So first I will press the select. Okay, star from stored. Okay, 99 will display this information. Only one row is created. Then now I will insert the 5 row at a time. So here, okay, what we'll do here, I'll be write insert. Okay, insert into stored 99 values. How it will be easier to a task. Suppose here I'll enter roll number 2. Okay, here suppose Amit. Okay, so then make it copy. Okay, then here you paste 5 times 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, then you press the okay here you write the suppose 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6. So here name the suppose different names Amit. Suppose here type the Abhijeet. Okay, so here write the suppose Rahul. Here type the Subhranshu. Here type the Ranjit. Here type the Alok. Okay. Then I have entered these names. Okay. So what we'll do here, I'll be save this. Okay. I'll be save. Then I'll be close this. Okay. So what after close this, what will write the command to execute this SQL file? You write a SQL okay D colon double backslash SQL folder. There is a insert. Okay, 5.sql, then give the semicolon, press the enter. So see, at least 5 row, 5 numbers row is created. If you write the select, okay, star from stored 99, you can find total number of 6 rows. Okay, so I think you have understood properly. If you have understood, then comment, like, and share my video. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe. Okay, bye. Thank you.